That's crazy. What's up, guys? Mississippi here. Today we're doing leaf spring bushes. Bushes? Bushes. Leaf spring bushings. Bing! Okay. We're starting.
Super stable jack stand setup. Am I right, guys?
We're gonna be starting on the passenger side. Just gonna start with the big. Sorry, I keep yelling. I don't have to scream anymore. We got mics.
We're fancy now.
Okay.
Oh my god.
So,
Oh my god.
go ahead and loosen this one. Drop something. Perfect.
Sorry, am I in your way?
No. Hopefully this just breaks my hand. We'll see though.
Oh my god. Boyfriend, you're so strong.
Okay.
You're not taking the shortcut.
So what'd you guys eat today? What? Really?
You're crazy,
Did
boyfriend.
you really have that? Oh, that's actually stripping. What?
Wow, you're so fast.
You guys are weird. I got the first bolt out. This one right here, for the front portion of the leaf spring. Now I am working on the back. She's almost there. I'm gonna switch to the good old. My socket disappeared. Gas-powered ratchet. I don't know if it's strong enough. It is. What the? Where did he come from, guys? I don't get it. Fucking sneaky little dude. Oh my guys. Deuce. You guys are weird.
What the?
I'm not trying to fuck the threads up, but.
Trying to fuck you up. What?
What the fuck do you do?
Wow. You're so strong.
Whoa! What the fuck? Whoa! I mean, it got me. Can't scream, guys.
Can you tell me where the 19 is, guys? That's right. This one.
Fucking dumbass, guys. This guy's a dummy. He's so dumb. His mom does not pay me enough for this shit. It's crazy. No, the open end. Thanks, Daddy. I mean. Good. So.
Fatality.
10 out of 10 bleed out spot.
What?
We still gotta pick it up. Perfect. And we're out. Chat, check this out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look it, it's completely ovalized. Oh my god.
What if I can? No. That's crazy. It's a teeter-totter, guys.
Wow, guys.
Yeah, it's not supposed to look like that.
This side. It's a little more intact than I thought it would be.
Anyways, if you take a look down, this is where we're at. Got the old bushings out. We're gonna clean these out, make them look nice and pretty. Got these Johns. You're just gonna hit me with the camera? That's
Well, your
crazy.
big fucking head's in the way.
You wanna fucking go, bro?
Let's go to bed. Are we fighting or fuck? Because either way, I'm
Fucking out
getting
of here,
naked.
dog.
I'm getting naked.
But we got new bushings.
Right here, right here. I have no idea what brand they are, but you know,
Yeah.
Napa brand.
Fucking
should be
ling
fine.
longs.
Ling Long.
We also got new shackles. Check out the old shackles. check out these Johns.
Okay, whoa, we're getting crazy.
Let me know. See how rubbed out that shit is? Look, that's fucking metal. It's fucking metal. It's not supposed to look like that.
That's pretty clean.
But when you got new Johns with new rubbers, got these, got the gaskets for these.
Gaskets, that's
bushings.
crazy.
We got the new bushings. So we're gonna start cleaning. What the freak, bro?
Looks so submissive down there.
What the fuck? Okay, guys. So right now I'm putting on high performance bushing lubricant.
Hyper Performance? Is that the brand?
No, brand is Nolathane.
Nothing.
Nolathane. Probably because it's made out of polyurethane.
Hopefully.
I think this is enough.
I think you're enough.
What the fuck? Thanks. I appreciate that. You guys get that? You got this. Okay. Mag dump. Nolathane. I got the sticker. Sponsor if you want.
I guess, yeah, we need bushings.
Fine, like,
We need bushing. Did you lube that up?
no, I didn't. I got
on.
no more. I got no more lubricant in this bitch. Let me fucking lube that shaft for you guys.
He's the
Oh,
best.
this should be blurred out. If you want to see this, it'll be on our OnlyFans.
Best shaft luber in all the tri-state area.
Tri-state area.
Oh,
Look at these new shackles, guys. Shoe knackles.
wow. Kickflip, kickflip, kickflip. That one's gonna be fun to put in.
Yeah. Let's get the ball press. Ball peen press.
Press your balls. Wait, no.
Fucking
no.
wish you- Oh, okay.
Fuck it.
Guess it wasn't that bad.
What a hard job that was.
Woo, guys. Woo. Mississippi here. Let's get up in this beach. Should I do any cleaning up there? Probably.
Will I?
Will I? No.
Oh, she don't want that. What?
Oh, hey guys. Mississippi here.
Gotta get inside that thing. Oh!
Fucking Christ.
Oh, it's one. Where's the bowl? Where's the bowl?
This is for this one. You can have this one, buddy.
Oh, it needs to be lube. I just gotta pop it in to hold it in place.
Thanks, Dad.
God, look at I'm helping Dad, guys. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Okay, well, guys, see what my boyfriend did? Was loosen the shackles so we get play back and forth so we can line up the leaf spring. Wow, dude. My boyfriend is just the smartest.
Oh, we also need a. Alrighty, guys. We got the leaf spring back in. Now we got to do driver's side. But we're gonna let you guys do that one.
It looks so good, guys. Look, wow.
Safety is #1 priority. Safety.
Safety. Look at this chat.
Fit.
Look how off that is. That spring spun. Well, let's use a little YouTube magic. Get this fucking thing out. Mamma mia. Wow, guys. It's out. And here it is.
Take a look at this, guys.
Let's look at damage.
Bing!
Oh my god.
That's not supposed to come out. And neither is this.
just easy squeezy
Look,
peasy.
look
lemon.
at that. It just rubbed all the way through. It was just metal on metal. Thank you.
where are you
thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Wait, what? What are you doing there?
Yeah, it's pretty bad. So we're going to get the air chisel, knock these out, get the new bushings in.
Sides.
Yeah. Now for this side. Finish the ground. Woo! Oh God, how'd that happen?
Oh,
All right, look at that, guys. Damn.
go! Soup! All right. Anyways.
Look at that, guys. All cleaned up. Looking good. There's new bushings about to go
Look
in.
at these brand new bushies.
Look at this side. Also all clean and ready.
Oops. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
It's crazy.
One last bit. This tube.
Tubey.
Oh, fuck. Where's my hammer?
It's right there, guys.
An N-word. Neighbor.
Neighbor. Smack that.
Okay, yo. Let's see if this goes in. Oh, damn, that's still warm. Hell yeah, brothers. What are you guys doing today? I just need to ask. Would you guys like, subscribe, hit the notification bell? Need subs. We need O-Light mostly. Fuck your sub, O-Light only. What? No, please!
No.
Please. Where did my O-Light Arkfeld Pro go? Titanium, limited edition go. Right here. We're gonna stick this right there.
Wow, with magnetic charger and back.
Magneto. Do you guys know where my anti-seize is? Because I don't.
Why would you fucking smell it, bud? Yo, let me get some of that. Let me fucking.
Dude, that's it, bro. I can take advantage of him now.
Dinosaur. Rawr. Rawr. Simonette, Mississippi. Simonette. Is it in? Did you do it?
Yeah, she's in there.
Wow, what a good boy.
Okay, now we're gonna put the leaf spring back in here. So we'll be right back with you.
The driver's side's back on. Look at that. Fresh new everything, all torqued to spec. We got Ricky over here. He missed the strut. Or the shuck. He's a bad boy.
Actually, might need help with this one. This one's fucking tough.
How you want me to help? I'm weak.
I want you to grab on this shaft with me.
What?
Now it's all out
Today, Junior!
of calibration.
Verified.
This.
Oh, my fucking knees hurt, guys. Sorry, I don't know why I'm still yelling. I don't have to yell anymore because we have mics. DJI Mic Mini. Sponsor us, please. Oh. All right, Ryan, all you gotta do is put the tires back on and you're good.
All done. That wheels back on. New bushings in.
Whoa! What's up, guys? Ooh. All right, serious up, guys.
Yeah, guys. Serious up.
Did I tighten the bolts on the control lines? Skill issue.
Whoa, guys. Oh my god. Puddle.
Oh, fuck. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, yeah.
Damn.
Oops.
Oh my god. Watch out. Lava ball. Oh my god.
Does this look cool, guys?
Dented it.
Now we gotta flex it out the other way.
Wow. This guy definitely kisses dudes. I have proof. I have video
Look,
proof.
what am I looking for?
Kissing dudes.
What am I
He's so
looking for?
gay. I don't know what you're looking for.
Dude, he's so fucking gay. He kisses so many guys.
Well, they hitting.
Not even close?
No.
Wow.
Okay. Okay, it looks cool, I guess. Does it look cool, guys? Anyways, guys, that's the video. We're gonna obviously readjust that bolt later, but next thing for the Jeep is the control arms. We'll be ordering those. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Oh, hey guys, when'd you guys get here?